Let's face it, apartments rarely offer the same storage capacity as a house with a double garage or a backyard shed. That reality creates real challenges, especially for those downsizing from a large family home to compact city living. So whether you're a downsizer or simply someone with too much stuff, these smart ideas will inspire you to make the most of every square meter of your space. To begin with, take this hidden dining table. When it's not in use, it stays completely concealed inside the wall, instantly freeing up valuable room and allowing you to move comfortably around the kitchen without any clutter getting in the way. But the versatility doesn't stop there. If you think a guest room is a luxury you can't afford, look at this multifunctional wall bed unit. By day, it serves as a sleek bench, a comfortable sofa, a coffee table, and even extra storage. Then, when night falls, the transformation is effortless. With just the strength of a single finger, you can pull down a full-sized queen bed. It's the ultimate way to enjoy a master bedroom without sacrificing your living room's footprint. Interestingly, some of the smartest space-saving ideas don't come from the future at all. They come from the past. A perfect example is this remarkable folding bed with an integrated tabletop, originally designed in the 1960s. At first glance, it looks like a simple desk, functioning exactly like a normal workspace. But the real genius reveals itself once the workday is over. With a smooth motion, the entire surface flips over, instantly transforming into a bed. Even more impressive, this piece was made in Germany and features a plywood structure finished in a rich teak veneer, giving it that unmistakable mid-century modern character, both functional and timeless. And it makes you wonder, if designers were creating furniture this inventive over half a century ago, why do we see so few ideas like this today? But while past designers were already pushing the boundaries of space-saving innovation, today's reality looks very different. As square footage becomes more expensive, modern homes continue to shrink. And the answer isn't always moving to a bigger place. It's rethinking the walls themselves. That shift in thinking leads directly to solutions like the BIGFOOT collection by Pratone. This patented system redefines interior architecture by turning walls from static dividers into intelligent, functional hubs, elements that remain hidden and slide out only when they're needed. And once the walls start working smarter, it's only natural to turn our attention to seating. Spear Furnishing introduces a collection of truly mind-bending chairs where design becomes an experience. Leading the lineup is the Pratone chair, an iconic piece of radical Italian design created in 1971 by Giorgio Chiretti. Building on that spirit of experimentation, there's the Veranda chair, designed by Vico Magistretti. And then things get even more relaxed. The Calin lounge chair by Pascal Mourgue pushes comfort to its extreme. But what if your living room needs to be a social lounge and a guest suite all at once? In that case, you need furniture that can keep up with your lifestyle. And that's exactly what the Konstantacorner sofa system was built for. This isn't your average sectional. The standout feature here is its incredible fluidity, allowing it to be rearranged into dozens of different configurations. Whether you're hosting an immersive movie night or a cozy, face-to-face conversation, the sofa literally adapts to you. And when the day is over, it effortlessly slides down into a full-sized bed. And it's not just sofas and chairs that can transform a space. Even the smallest details, like your kitchen tap, can make a big impact. Take the Vita by Gessi, for example. This isn't just a tap. It's a full-featured water station. Cold, hot, boiling, or sparkling water, all controlled effortlessly with a single sleek lever. A perfect example of discreet luxury, it turns an everyday task, like washing a glass or making a cup of tea, into a moment of elegance and convenience. Staying in the realm of smart furniture pieces, Zortaş Concept Design continues to push the boundaries of multifunctional interiors. Take their swing-out countertop, for example, a clever solution that expands your workspace only when you need it. Accessibility is also reimagined. A 180-degree step system makes it easy to reach high or tricky storage areas, bringing convenience to every corner of your home. And it doesn't stop there. Architecturally inspired pull-out hidden compartments, staircases with built-in drawers, and even under-sofa storage transform dead space into practical, everyday storage. without ever compromising the room's style. Together, these designs show how thoughtful, multifunctional furniture can completely redefine small living spaces. Of course, a smart home should also keep you active, but as the weather cools down, the excuses to skip the gym start piling up. That's why the Schroth Bar is becoming a household staple. It transforms any dead wall or partition into a sturdy home gym or a fun indoor playground for the kids. And to truly complete the formula of space-saving design, we have to talk about the kings of them all: hidden rooms and secret furniture. Take this hidden basement trapdoor, seamlessly integrated into the floor. Another clever example looks like nothing more than a regular cabinet, but behind those doors, 2 single bunk beds are perfectly concealed. The doors swing fully backward, creating a flush, seamless appearance, proof that sleeping space doesn't have to dominate the room. But the real magic comes next. At first glance, this appears to be a simple tea table. Then, with a smooth motion, it transforms, revealing an entirely new function hidden inside. And just when you think you've seen it all, this window frame morphs into a balcony at the touch of a button, turning vertical space into a livable outdoor extension. Finally, even vertical movement gets smarter. This compact elevator makes accessing different levels effortless. Back when televisions were bulky and heavy, moving them, let alone hiding them, wasn't really an option. But with today's ultra-slim displays concealing the TV has become an essential part of modern interior design. That's where future automation comes in. They offer a range of sophisticated hidden mechanisms designed to keep your screen out of sight the moment you're finished watching. These aren't just simple brackets. These systems are engineered to be installed in almost any configuration, whether they're tucked into a corner, mounted in the center of a room, or integrated directly into a feature wall. While high-end engineering is impressive, you don't always need a massive budget to reclaim your space. For those who love a DIY project or want creative solutions without breaking the bank, look no further than Calin. Known to his followers as Hagalo en Casa, this talented Spanish designer shares detailed, step-by-step tutorials on how to build space-saving solutions for every corner of the home. Moving on to another innovative bedroom solution, the Cloud Bed from Ori Living introduces a fresh take on high-tech, multifunctional design. It's called the Cloud Bed for a reason. It literally descends from the ceiling to transform your living room into a master suite in seconds. We've seen space-saving solutions for the home, but what about the office? Let's be honest, working late isn't fun for anyone. If you've ever wished for a secret spot to catch a quick nap without the boss noticing, this next one is definitely for you. Space Maxon has designed a smart Murphy bed system specifically for professional environments. Requiring only a compact 10-foot by 10-foot area, these beds are engineered to be completely stealthy. By day, they look like standard, high-end office cabinetry, blending perfectly into a corporate setting.